Dear students, a video on elimination method. This is in continuation to the previous one in which we have learned substitution method. So elimination method would be applied to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us understand this method in detail by taking up one example. Question says solve the following pair of equations by elimination method. Two equations which we have are 9x minus 4y equals to 2 and 7x minus 3y is 2. Let's mark these as equation number 1 and equation number 2. So step number 1 would be focus on the variables. X and y are two variables involved. Numerical coefficients of x are 9 and 7, while for y it is 4 and 3. If I want to eliminate y, I would be multiplying equation number 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4 so that the numerical coefficients of y become equal. So the equations would be 27x minus 12y equals to 6. Label it as equation number 3. 28x minus 12y equals to 8. This is marked as equation number 4. The next step would be, now when we consider these numerical coefficients, y has got minus 12, we can't add them, we have to subtract, right? So on subtraction we know there's a change of sign. Look at the numericals 28 and 12. 28 has got positive, so change of sign would make it minus 28. 12y, which is negative, changing the sign would make it positive 12, and 8, it was positive, it has become negative. In the next step you would see this is minus x because 27x minus 28x would be minus x. 12y negative, 12y positive would finish off, and 6 minus 8 is minus 2. So minus x is minus 2 and x would be 2. Next step would be, since we know the value of x, which is 2, put this value of x in equation 1, which was 9 times x minus 4y equals to 2. So it would become 18 minus 4y equals to 2. It's minus 4y equals to minus 16, and hence y is 4 and x was 2. That's how this simple method would help us to get the values of unknown variables. Let us take up one verbal problem. The question is, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So here let's assume, let ones place digit is x and tens place digit, because we know whenever we are forming a number, if I suppose have a number 26, 26 is 20 is at tens place because it can be written as 22 into 10. 6 is at ones place, it would be written as 6 into 1. So we assume ones place digit as x, tens place digit as y. Therefore number, how would the number be written? This would be tens places multiplied by 10. So it's 10 times y plus 1 times x, which is 10y plus x. So original number is framed. Now what would be the number on reversing the digits? On reversing the digits, reversing means initially suppose the number is 26. When you reverse it, it would become 62. So what change would you see here? Tens place and ones place would swap their position. So if initial number is 10y plus x, on reversing the digits, the number would be 10x plus y. Okay, now these are two numbers with which we would be dealing with. Let us apply the conditions. Our first condition says a according to our first condition, sum of digits x and y, their sum is given as 9, and second condition says that 9 times this number, 9 times the number which we had, is equal to twice the number obtained on reversing. So this needs to be simplified. So this would be 90y plus 9x, 20x plus 2y. Put variables on one end, in fact all are variables. So 90y minus 2y would be 88y. 9x minus 20x would be 11x, and this is equal to 0. Let's divide this equation by 11 on both sides, because that would make it a little lighter. Okay, let this be equation 1. We would be dealing with equation 1, and 8y minus x equals to 0. This is our equation 2. So we have obtained two equations. First is x plus y is 9. Second is 8 times y minus x is 0. Now over here, what would you notice? First equation is x plus y equals to 9. For second equation, I have just rearranged it. It was 8y minus x. It's written as minus x plus 8y, so that variables are put together. Now, equation 1, equation 2, we want to eliminate one of the variables. Over here, it's quite simple. We don't have to do anything. No multiplication is required, because we notice x is positive, x is negative. Straight away, if we add equation 1 on adding equation 1 and 2, so what do we observe? X and x would cancel, because one is positive and other is negative. Y plus 8y would be 9y. 9y is 9 and y becomes 1. If y is 1, put y equals to 1 in any equation. Let's put it in equation number 1. So x becomes 8. And if x is 8, what was our original number? If you remember, initially the number was taken as 10y plus x. Substitute the values 10 into 1 plus 8, which is 18. So this is our original number with us, and I'm sure this must be clear to everyone.